Just like greatest, we have access to another function that allows us to find the least value out of a list of values. So for example, we could do a select least and then put in some number of values inside of here. Let's try about 1, 20, 50, and 100. If we run that, we'll then be given the least value out of that list. In this case, it's 1. If we increase 1 up to, say, 1000, now the least value is 20. So if we run this again, sure enough, we get 20 back. You can think of least as being effectively the exact opposite of greatest. Where would we make use of least? Well, let's take a look at a very quick example. Let's say that all of our different products are on sale, and the rule to calculate the sale price of a product is the product's price times 0.5 or $400. So the least of those two values. In some cases, some of these different products might end up costing more money, but whatever, this is a really weird sale. So to calculate the new price of all these different products, we could do something like select name and price, and then the least of the item's price times 0.5 and 300. I said 300, right? Oh, 400. There we go. Let's run that. And now we can see all these new prices. So we get price, and here's the sale price. So in this case, 876 divided by 2, or multiplied by 1/2, would be something like 435.5. Well, that's greater than 400, so we end up with the least of those two values, which in this case is 400. Well, that's pretty much it. That is greatest and least. These are definitely two functions where you're going to know that you need it when you need it. And for right now, it's really just important that you understand that these two functions exist. Okay, so that's it. Let's take a pause here and move on in just a moment.